Oh, palala. Oh, basta pa yun ta. Nakakitiman ka dabanin. Tapos lagi together si Kuya Henry. At si Mang Kuya Henry. So, nakininis na. Ano eh. Basta pa lang sa dekorasyon dabanin. Ha? Kadinan. Pati yun.
Together.
Pagkainan.
Terpaksa nanti. Lecet. Tapi makan. Luluto na pa lang.
No, Pwede pa yun lang ako.
Say something, Irene. Irene. Nay, nanay, ano sasabihin nyo? Nay, nay. Salita kayo, nay. Kayo. Ha? Bakit na?
Bakit tulutaw? Oh yeah, you like
Oo, yung nagagalit din ano. Bakit ba na? Ha?
Barbecue kami.
Ah.
Kaya mo timan sa amber bago kang trabaho. Ano madadamot yung ulo?
Hari kata. Hindi mas matatag na barbecue na eh.
Thank you, Fred, for the coverage.
Coverage. Gusto kaya kan? Nyati ko nga.
Niya na ito eh, binbinida niya.
Hindi, kahit yung manok.
Binbinida of Henry.
Henry.
Sergeant Henry.
Yeah. Yeah. He just arrived from Italy.
Germany.
Germany, and then Italy, and then Germany.
Then
Nagpasyal
going
kami
to
kay
Louisiana.
boss niya, Louisiana.
Louisiana.
For how many more years?
3 years.
Apa
3
dia?
years in Louisiana.
Louisiana Station Ranger dia.
Kasi training camp dia eh. Training camp.
Anak no pa? No Jenor Tulana na jay Fort Bragg. Training camp di Fort Bragg matnya.
Una kinuha sa Balade. Rapid Deployment Unit ito. Airborne Unit ito.
Oh, Postbag.
Ngam jelise na nya ko nga di ay.
JRTC training camp. Actual training camp.
Postbag.
For infantry.
Ranger.
Yeah, Ranger, LURS, Special Forces training
I
camp.
see.
Yeah, that's and I'm gonna be an OC.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. You close to your commander.
No, actually, I get to nail those guys and tell them how bad they're doing.
Yeah. You are the inspector, huh?
Yeah, I'll be the instructor walker.
Okay, yeah, this.
Yeah, it's amazing because you know I told them that I'm not ready for such an assignment
Uh-huh.
because I'm new at the grunt. You
Uh-huh.
know? But because my last assignment was special assignment,
Uh-huh.
special operations,
Uh-huh.
they decided that they wanted me to be an instructor for these JRTC people.
Man, that's good. That's
Yeah,
a
it's a hand
challenge.
select. So it's a hand select. It's an honor
Ah.
on my part, but a little disappointed because it's Louisiana.
No. That's all right. Louisiana is a beautiful.
Oh yeah.
New Orleans, Louisiana, New Orleans.
Yeah. And, well, New Orleans is nice, but Fort Polk is 250 miles away.
Oh yeah,
250 miles away. So.
Pope
that's
Air Force Base.
No, not Pope. Pope is in North Carolina.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Yeah. So.
You know what? They have that Mardi Gras right now in Louisiana.
Yep. Mardi Gras is going on right now.
Yeah.
Right now as we speak.
And the
In the top 10 party of the world.
yeah,
Yep. Yeah. Chicken is giving birth.
you missed that party. So I think that's every year.
Every year they have it.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I've been there. Twice.
That's a world renowned park.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. Just like Oktoberfest is a world renowned, Mardi Gras is world known.
And also in Brazil.
Brazil, Rio
Argentina.
de Janeiro,
Yeah,
Rio de Janeiro,
Yeah.
Brazil, with the carnival.
We're gonna have that little band.
What's that? For the karaoke?
Yeah.
Oh, you got lose, I'm telling
No,
you.
I'm telling you.
Man, I am good.
I had a 94.
It's in the family.
Sorry. I know.
What's that? What's
No,
that?
go say it.
What's going on? What? You guys got a secret thing over there.
Sweet.
Let's
Sweet
pray.
ako.
Come on, let's pray. Let's go. Oh, Lolo. Amen. Okay.
Amen.
Ciao. Ciao. All right, Glenn, fire it up, buddy. Fire it up. Lead the way there, wild man. Let me take off my jacket here.
Okay, take off your
Don't be
jacket.
shy.
All right.
Don't be shy.
You get fired up, huh?
Where's the first lady? Oh, lady, coming. Tiri, tiri.
That's okay. Okay, I call him.
563-4613.
Hello.
Say something, Tom.
Can I get a beer?
So when you're leaving, yeah,
Hi there.
yeah, how many people in the west going there? Just you?
No, there's some other people.
Oh, that's good.
Tina.
Good luck and enjoy it. Yeah.
Okay na, mamaya.
So Megal,
Tiri.
Oh, it's easy.
Terry.
Did you make that?
It's
It's easy.
Paksiw.